In professional finance studies, today we will discuss about data visualization, adding a spark line chart and interactive form controls. What is a spark line chart? Spark line chart is a 10A chart in a worksheet cell that provides a visual representation of data. Use a spark line chart to show trends in a series of values such as seasonal increases or decreases, economic cycles, or to highlight maximum or minimum values. What is interactive form controls? Form controls are objects which we can place into a worksheet that gives us the different functionality to visualize with the data. So let's start with the Excel file. This is a sample data. Monthly sales versus goal. Human beings are highly visual learner. If we show the data with a chart, we can check the trend, we can check the values over time, and we can check the variation also. Position a spark line near data. So move cursor on this cell, choose Insert tab, choose Win and Lose, select the cell position. Click OK. Change it to column. Drag it to downwards. Change the spark line color. Change the marker color. This is how we can analyze the data easily. Now we'll go for the next topic, interactive form controls. This is a sample data. This is the product column, country column, average rating, average pricing. These are the number of products and these are the countries. Now we will insert form control. We need developer tab. Choose file, then options, choose customize ribbon, choose developer, then finally OK. So here is developer tab. Click on insert, click on list box and drag it here. Right button on this area, choose format control. Input area should be this area and link cell should be this cell. Then click OK. See, all these products are in the list box area. When we click T, the serial number has shown on this cell position. If I choose green tea, the serial number has changed automatically. Now we'll calculate a complex function. If you are beginners, you have to observe carefully. Now we'll use a complex function to retrieve average rating for Australia and green tea. So use equal sign average ifs. Average range should be this cell, this column. Press F4 to fix it, comma. Criteria range should be this column. Press F4 again, use comma. Criteria, country name, use comma. Now second criteria range should be product. Use this column, press again F4. Now we will use VLOOKUP function for the criteria 2 to retrieve the product name. Use VLOOKUP. This cell position we will look up this cell position for the green tea. Press F4, comma, use total range. Press again F4, then comma, use 2. For this product name, use comma, type false. Close the parenthesis, close the final parenthesis, press enter. Copy it to downwards. I will use same function in this cell. AVERG, average ifs average range should be this cell position, press F4, then comma, criteria range should be this cell position, F4, comma, then this cell position, then comma, criteria root. Criteria root should be product name, F4, comma, VLOOKUP, this cell position, press F4, choose all this data, press F4, then you type comma, then type false. Close the parenthesis, then final parenthesis, then press enter. So if I choose Jasmine T, it has changed automatically. If I make a chart with this data, you can use this control easily. Column chart. Add the data labels. Change the design. You can move this control to this area. Move it to forward. If I change T, it will change automatically. Change Jasmine T, it will change automatically. If I insert columns, it will move to the right. Now it is more clear, you can see data easily. This is how we can insert form control for better analysis.